guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on the dark mode on YouTube. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So you first go to the YouTube app. Then you click on your account icon. You move to settings. Click on general. Then you click on dark theme. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe and like the video.